Tell me when you're ready to go. Okay, so for the first time in about 80 odd years, well, this is an 80 odd year old grinder, so this thing hasn't made any coffee in decades. So we're going to actually make a coffee through it. I've put a filter paper in the coffee machine ready, filled it with water, and now we're going to grind some coffee. So there's the grinder running. Try and catch it. It's quite fine. Normally this would have this device in front of it, but as it's a bit rusty and mucky, I didn't want to try it. So we're grinding down. At least you get to see the quality of the coffee. There we go. That's pretty nice. It's quite fine for a roast and ground, but hey, so in it goes. In it goes into the filter. In there. And we plug it in. Oh, you are joking. Okay, after a minor electrical disaster, we've got it back on again. This old Kencomatic is pre-1977 because it's made by Still. After that, they were bought out by Hobart, so this machine is 40 odd years old. The grinder is 80 odd years old, so this should be a truly vintage cup of coffee when it eventually comes out. Now, unlike a lot of these pour and serve machines, this has a boiler which is insanely powerful. So any minute now it should start to come through. But as it's quite fine, it might be quite a... oh, here we go, look. Here comes our first dribble of coffee. So we'll... look back in a minute and we'll hopefully have a full pot. Okay, so proof of the pudding's in the eating, or coffee in the drinking in this case. So with a grand total of 126 years of coffee making technology in front of us, this is going to be the first cup of coffee out of these things for decades, I think. So here we go. I ground up some Le Cafe Sarti beans. The grind was quite fine, so it took an age to come through, but it smells great. Let's imagine this is going to be quite strong. Put a lot of milk in for Henry, and so here we go. So here's the first taste, and it actually tastes pretty good. So there we go. So the Zach Parks 83-year-old grinder and the Kencomatic, or Still Percolator, which is from 1977. So yeah, we're really drinking in the heritage here. Well, I'm going to enjoy that. Cheers, guys.